In this video, I will show with you how to transfer money from Commerzbank. So if you want to transfer, follow me in this video. First step, log in your account with your all information such your username, number, and PIN. This is the first step you need to do. After logging an account, in my case, I want to transfer money through my account on Wise. All you have to do, you should go to your account. You will see this one. Click on this option, transfer option. As you can see here, friends, click on transfer option. This is for transfer. As you can see here, click on transfer. When you click on transfer, this icon, you will see this page like this one. Choose the bank transfer. Wise. On this case, I want to use a Wise to receive or to add money. I want to add money from here. In this case, choose the amount you want to transfer on your Wise. For example, to Wise, for example, 100 euro. After that, choose the bank details you want to receive. For example, paying with a bank, choose this one. Write your all bank details, such your countries, your account type, and bank numbers, and account holders, and bank and SWIFT code. In this case, you have to write your account number, choose to Wise, and then click send. This is how you can do, friends, to receive your money through Wise from Commerzbank to Wise. So guys, it is simple steps. Just click transfer option. This is a transfer, as you can see here. This is a transfer. Click this one and then write your all details, account number. I hope this is helpful for you. See you on another video soon.